Welcoming you all on today's online session for Standard 12 Statistics, Chapter number 2, Linear Coordination. Till now we have solved up to question number 3 of section E. Now coming to question number 4. So question number 4. A merchant wants to study the relation between price of tea and coffee in Ahmedabad city. He obtained the following information about prices of tea and coffee of the last 6 months. So price per kg for tea is given, we will consider it as X. Price per 100 grams for coffee is given, we will consider it as Y. Calculate rank coordination coefficient between the price of tea and coffee. Okay. So in the next question number 4, section E, question number 4, X is given 340, 370, 450, 320, 300 and 360. Y is given 190, 215, 200, 180. 163 and 175. We got to give the ranks to the variables. Okay. So first rank will be given to 450. First rank. Then second rank 370. Then third rank 360. Then fourth rank 340. Then fifth rank 320 and sixth rank 300. In RY, first rank 215. Second rank 200, third rank 190, fourth rank 180, fifth rank 175 and sixth rank 163. Okay. Then we'll find the difference. D equal to Rx minus Ry. 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 2. D square, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 4. Total 8. Okay. Then applying the formula. Apply over here. 1 minus 6 sigma d square whole upon n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 8 whole upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square minus 1. 1 minus 48 upon 6 into 35. 1 minus 48 upon 35 into 6, 35 to the 70, 210. Okay, apply the calci. Okay, so the answer is 1 minus 0.23 R equal to 0.77. There exists a partial positive correlation. Okay, allocating of ranks is only very much important. Okay, giving you the sum for practice. X 198, 176, 145, 154, 167, 192. Y 204, 148, 179, 185, 190, 182. Okay. Solve it. Give the ranks to the variables and come on solve it. Giving you 3 minutes to solve this sum. Try to solve it. Allocate the ranks. The first rank will be given to 198 RX, then 192 second rank, then 176 third rank, then 167 fourth rank, then 154 fifth rank, and 145 sixth rank. In RY, 204 first rank, 190 second rank, 185 third rank, 182 fourth rank, 179 fifth rank, and 148 sixth rank. Allocates the rank to the variables and then apply the same formula and find the result. You keep on solving it. Okay, time's up. Hope you have got the answer. Now coming to question number 5. The demand of an imported fruit in a local market is very uncertain. To know the relation between the price of the fruits and its supply, a vendor collects the information about the average price and supply for last 10 months. So average price per unit as X and supply considering at Y. Okay, we got to find the rank correlation between the average price and the supply. Okay, yes, again we got to allocate the rank. Now I want you people only to solve. I'll write down X and Y. I'll give you the timing. 65, 68, 43, 38, 77, 48, 35, 30, 25, 50. Y, 52, 53, 42, 60, then 45, 41, then 37, 38, 25, 27. I want you people to allocate the rank for Rx, Ry, then find the difference Rx minus Ry, and then D square. Okay, come on, allocate the ranks. Giving you 3 minutes to solve this sum. Come on, solve it. Then I'll be giving you the answers, whether it is correct or not. Hope so you have allocated the ranks. Now I will writing the ranks. 3, 2, 6, 7, 1, 5. Check your ranks. 8, 9, 10, 4. Ranks for Y. 3, 2, 5, 1. 4, 6, 8, 7, 10, 9. Difference 0, 0, 1, 6, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 0, minus 1. square 0 0 1 36 9 1 0 4 0 25. Adding this number, okay, got a total as 76. R equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. अब यहाँ तक पहुंच गए होंगे. Okay, put the formula and find me the answer. I will directly writing you the answer of this question. अब आपको सिर्फ formulas में put up करना है and you got to find the answer. Next, nothing else. Answer is 0.54. Hope so. All of you might have got the answer. I want you people only to solve question number 6. I'll dictate the question. I dictate the question. To know the relation between the results of the examination taken in a span of short time, a teacher has conducted 2 examinations in last 2 weeks and the ranks obtained by 7 students are as follows. Okay, so the ranks are given as 5, 1, 2, 3.5, 3.5 means 1 rank is repeated. Okay, 7, 6. Then RY is given as 7, 1, 4, 6, 5, 3, 2. As we can see, 1 rank is repeated. 3.5, 3.5 rank is given with एक number repeat हुआ होगा. So CF क्या करेंगे? CF 2 repeat हुए मतलब कि 2 times, 1 number 2 times repeat हुए. 2 का cube that is 8. 8 minus 2 that is 6. Okay. 2 cube minus 2. 6 upon 12, 0.5. तो हम सिग्मा डी स्क्वायर आर एक्स माइनस आर वाई करके डी फाइंड कर लेंगे. देन डी का स्क्वायर यहाँ पे पुट अप यहाँ पे कर देंगे, फाइंड यहाँ पे कर लेंगे. जो भी डी का स्क्वायर आएगा, जो भी डी का स्क्वायर सिग्मा डी स्क्वायर आएगा, सी एफ प्लस करेंगे पहले, फिर 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, आई वांट यू पीपल टू सॉल्व दिस सम राइट नाउ. देन आफ्टर दैट आई विल बी डिटेक्टिंग यू द होमवर्क सम्स. Okay, hope so you have solved the sum. Now write the sum for the homework. Find coefficient of rank correlation. X 35, 40, 42, 43, 40, 53, 54, 49, 41, 55, Y 102, 101, 97, 98, 38, 101, 97, 92, 95 and 95. The answer for it is minus 0.23. Write down one more sum. Find rank correlation from the following information. X is given 10, 14, sorry, again 10, 11, 14, 16, 13, 18, 11, 13. Y is given 50, 52, 58, 56, 52, again 52, 53 and 52. The answer for it is minus 0.46. With this, we have completed section E. This is the last sum. Sixth sum was the last sum. The answer for sixth sum is 0.13. Okay. Thanks for the cooperation and support. Keep solving the sums. Keep studying for minimum 2 hours on daily purpose. I have told you so many times. Now I hope so you are doing that also. Okay. Solve the sums on daily basis. Okay. Give time to statistics and accountancy both. Okay. Thanks for the cooperation and support. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Thanks again. In the board all the formulas are there. So you can refer to the formula on daily basis. That's why I have kept it on the board itself. Whatever sums I am solving on the right side of the formula, so that you can go through each and every formula in each and every videos. Thank you again.